Anyong, so for today's video, we will be doing a challenge. At yung challenge natin is, try natin ubusin itong buldak samyang na 2 times spicy. Tara, let's go! Ayan, para walang daya, 2 times spicy. Ubusin natin. This one. Paliputin na natin yung sauce before tayo. Basta. And luto na yung samyang 2 times spicy natin. Tapos nag-prepare na rin ako on ways to tone down yung spicy level just in case na hindi ko makayanan yung pagkaanghang ng samyang. So again, let's start. So let's start the challenge. So actually this would be my second time trying it. So hopefully makayanan ko na siya ngayon. It's spicy. Ano kayo mas effective na pang tone down ng spice? I'll try first this strawberry drink. Naku, it's burning. Kaya na ako. Try ko dito honey. Mas effective yung milk. Supot ako. Update lang, hindi ko siya naubos. Dami pa niya. Nakain ng subo lang ako. Then, nakaubos ako ng strawberry milk, tapos isang Dutch milk na yogurt. Tapos naka-help din tong Biscoff. By the way, all of these are available sa store, so punta na kayo. Bye-bye.